Commutative and associative properties of rational numbers. Commutative under addition. Look up this expression. Is a commutative under addition? Yes. Let us try to solve this expression. Firstly, add 5 by 14 and minus 7 by 12. We get minus 19 by 84. Now, solve the minus 7 by 12 plus 5 by 14. We get minus 19 by 84 also. Thus, we can say that rational numbers are commutative under addition. Associative under addition. Consider the rational numbers 1 by 2, minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Let us find the value of the given expression in left-hand side and right-hand side. Solving both side expressions, we conclude that both sides are equal. The numbers are arbitrary, therefore we can say that rational numbers are associative under addition.